Hey guys, so today I'll be going over something I like to call the Time Force. So it's a new hypothesis I'm developing on how the creation of the universe is and why you can see time dilation, the relativity happens, and explaining the Big Bang and things like that. So the first thing about the Time Force, I believe there's a constant type of force coming from the fourth dimension onto the third dimension. So what this is doing is that you just kind of see in different type of things like time dilation. You can see it in like the Big Bang, and you can see it in like just different type of black holes, and you can also see in like the effects and a little bit in quantum mechanics too. So if you take a look at the planar world, you see that there's a lot of 2D people walking around and everything. So what would happen if I just took an in 2D world and put a 3D object in there? All the people in there would not know what it would be because their only frame of reference is in a two-dimensional world, right? So, well, now given that fact, if you take a look at the Big Bang, when the Big Bang officially happened, it started at a singularity. All the energy and mass was condensed into a single point of space that eventually exploded outward. As you can know, this violated the first law of thermodynamics, the conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed. So, what I believe happened is that the time force essentially was coming through, was stooping in to a curvature that happened in our given space, and eventually overflowed and was condensed into a single point, to the point of which it exploded outward into our universe, right? So another point of you can see this is like, say you put a thing, say you have an object, right, and time doesn't affect it at all, and you hit it 50,000 times, and then suddenly time resumes, right? So if you hit it, it will go flying off into this direction of any type of object. It will go flying off because all that energy is stored into a single point. That's just being stored up until it eventually hits up. This is known as potential energy, and when the time continues, it's considered to be continuing. And when it's in motion, or the energy is being acted upon, or its energy is causing it to do something, that's considered to be kinetic energy, right? So, that's just kind of like a quick overview of it. I'm gonna be doing more of these videos. I thank you for your time and have a good day.